OmniGen AI is a groundbreaking new tool that's making waves in the AI software space. If you're wondering what all the hype is about and whether it lives up to the promise, you're in the right place. In this review, I'll be sharing 7 crucial things you need to know about OmniGen AI, so stick around. What I'm about to show you could change the way you work with AI forever. Before we dive into the details, I want to let you know that you can try OmniGen AI completely free with the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. OmniGen AI is designed to help businesses automate complex tasks that would traditionally require human intelligence, but without the need for coding. This software gives you access to highly sophisticated machine learning tools that can drastically cut down on the time you spend on manual tasks, allowing you to focus more on strategy and creativity. One of the standout features of OmniGen AI is its ability to integrate seamlessly into existing systems. This means you don't need to completely overhaul your workflow to take advantage of this technology. Whether you're working with CRM systems, content management tools, or other business software, OmniGen AI can be plugged in without any disruption. What really sets OmniGen apart is its ability to generate high-quality content. Whether it's blog posts, social media captions, or even full-on marketing copy, OmniGen AI has been trained to deliver natural-sounding content that feels like it was written by a human. You no longer need to hire a full content team or spend hours writing yourself. OmniGen can produce quality content in minutes, saving you time and money. Another thing I love about this software is its data-driven insights. OmniGen AI analyzes user behavior and customer data to provide actionable insights that can help you optimize your marketing strategies. Imagine having a tool that can suggest the best times to post, what topics will engage your audience, or how to adjust your content for maximum impact. OmniGen AI is like having a data scientist on your team, but without the high salary. Now, you might be wondering about customization. Can you tailor the software to your specific needs? The answer is yes. OmniGen AI is incredibly customizable, giving you control over how it functions. From adjusting the tone of the content it generates to fine-tuning the analytics, you can tweak the software to suit your business's unique needs. OmniGen AI is also cloud-based, meaning it's accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're working from your office, on the go, or remotely, all your data and tools are at your fingertips. This is perfect for businesses that need to stay agile and respond to changes quickly. But what really impressed me is OmniGen's ease of use. It's incredibly intuitive, even for people who aren't tech-savvy. The interface is clean, and the learning curve is minimal. This makes it perfect for business owners, marketers, and teams who want to adopt AI without the need for a lengthy onboarding process. As we wrap up, remember that you can try OmniGen AI completely free through the link in the description below. If you're looking to streamline your business processes and take your content creation and marketing strategies to the next level, OmniGen AI is a game changer. Before you go, I've also got my list of recommended AI software tools in the description. After testing thousands of AI applications, these are the ones I trust to help businesses grow. Go ahead and give them a try. Some of them are free, and they could be exactly what you need to take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.